Hi, I'm Hari Krishna. You are watching High School TV by Hari. Today's topic is real numbers exercise 1.3. First question. Prove that root 5 is irrational. To prove root 5 is an irrational, let root 5 is a rational number. Is a rational. Rational numbers means, as per the definition, it is a p by q form and q not equals to 0. Root 5 is a rational. That means root 5 is equals to p by q, where p comma q are integers and q not equals to 0. If p comma q have any common factor other than 1, for example 20 by 12 is our p by q rational number. These two numbers, numerator and denominator, have one common factor, that is the 4. We can cancel this 4 and 4, no common factors, remaining 5 by 3. It is a different fraction. Similarly, here also writing, if p comma q have any common factors other than 1, comma, on cancelling them, this fraction becomes root 5 is equals to p by q becomes another fraction. I am taking r by s. It is also fraction. But here common factors are cancelled. These are now co-primes, where r comma s are co-primes. We do not have any common factors now. This becomes, it is a by 1 cross multiplication. It is a root 5 into, it is s is equals to r into 1, nothing but, no need to write, root 5 into s is equals to r, squaring on both sides. Root 5 into s whole square is equals to r square. On two sides I am applying square. It is a root 5 whole square into s square. ab whole power m is equals to a power m into b power n m. No, square root gets cancelled. 5 into square root gets cancelled. 5 into, it is a s square. It is a 5. It is a s, r square. S square is equals to r square divided by 5. Transposing multiplication term to the other side of equal symbol, it gets division. Say it is equation number 1. Therefore, from the equation 1, r square is divisible by 5 and r also can be divisible by 5. If r is multiple of 5, then only it is divisible by 5. So we should take r equals to multiple of 5. That means let r equals to 5k. It is a multiple of 5. Say it is equation number 2. What is k here? K is an integer. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1, s square is equals to r square. In the place of r I am substituting 5k. 5k whole square by 5. This s square is equals to, it is a 5 into 5 into k square by 5. 5 to the 5 gets cancelled, remaining 5k square in the numerator. S square is equals to 5k square. That implies k square is equals to s square. By transposing this multiplication term 5 to the other side, it gets divided. K square equals to s square by 5. Therefore, s square is divisible by 5, and also s square divided by 5 nothing but s square is divisible by 5, and also s is also divisible by 5. Say it is equation number 3. From equation 1 and 3, r square divisible by 5 and r is divisible by 5. Here from the equation 3, here s square divisible by 5 and s is divisible by 5. What are the r and s? R and S are co-primes. They do not have any common prime factors. From equations 1 and 3, R is divisible by 5 and S is also divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. This 5. This means R and S has common factor 5. This is contradiction to the fact that R and S are co-primes. So root 5 cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Hence root 5 is an irrational number. Once again I am repeating, to prove root 5 is an irrational number, let root 5 is a rational. Rational means it is a P by Q form. I wrote P by Q, root 5 is equals to P comma Q are integers. If P comma Q have any common factor other than 1, we can cancel them. No, on cancelling them, root 5 equals to, it gets another fraction R by S. Root 5 by 1, cross multiplication, and where R and S are co-primes, root 5 into S is equals to R, squaring on both sides, cancelling this, 5 into S square equals to R square, S square equals to R square by 5. It is the equation number 1. Therefore R square is divisible by 5 and R also can be divisible by 5. What is the R value? R may be the multiple of 5, because denominator 5 is there, in the numerator should also be 5. 5 multiple, 5 into K. Substitute in this equation 2 in equation 1, and simplification, we get S square equals to 5K square. K square is equals to S square by 5. Here S is also divisible by 5 and S square also divisible by 5. From equation 1 and 3, R is divisible by 5 and S is also divisible by 5. This means R and S has common factor 5. This is contradiction. This is contradiction to the fact that the R and S are co-primes. So root 5 cannot be written in the form P by Q. Hence root 5 is an irrational number. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.